Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a window screen. This is very easy to do and you can do it yourself very cheaply. There's no need to pay anyone to do it. It shouldn't take much longer than 10 minutes to do yourself. So let's get started. You're going to need window screen spline. This usually comes in 0.125 of an inch, 0.140 and 0.160 of an inch. I have 0.140. We need a spline roller, a screwdriver, and a utility knife. First you'll want to remove your spline. Sometimes you can reuse this, but it tends to shrink. Just take your utility knife and pop up the end and just pull it out. Do this on a nice table. Now you can just remove your screen, pull it out. This one's bonded in here a little bit. Okay, I finally got the screen out. Mine was stuck into the frame, probably from the sun. And what I had to do was take my 5-in-1 painter's tool and scrape it out. What I did is just put it in here and just scraped it out of there. Okay, you want to let your screen overlap the edges by a few inches. And now we can start putting the spline in. And we'll start from one corner. Just push the spline into the channel. When you get to a corner, just push the spline in with your screwdriver. Then you can continue with the roller. As the spline is being forced into the channel, the screen will begin to tighten. When you come to the end, just trim off the spline with your utility knife. Push the end in with your screwdriver. Now your screen should be tight on the frame. If it's not, go over with it again with the roller and push the spline in further, and that'll tighten it up if you have anything that's loose. Last thing to do is just take your utility knife and just trim along the edge of the frame. And that's it and done. The screen should be nice and tight. Okay, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give me the thumbs up button. Thanks.